드세요 좀. 지금 먹어야지.
V, Jungkook and Jimin cooked for all the crew members and for them.
지금 먹어야지.
You have to eat now.
정우야 그렇대요.
정국이한테 혼나기
Hurry or you'll get an earful from him.
싫으면 그냥 빨랑 와서 먹는 게 나아요.
정우 진짜 화나면 무섭거든요.
He's scary when he's angry. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, look. It's amazing to see they cooked and they called all the crew members, all the staff to come and join them and eat together. Wow.
이거는 먹으면
I mean, I'm not surprised because BTS members, we know how kind they are and humble they are. Like Jungkook is cooking, or what is Jimin doing? Jimin is taking off his shirt again.
진짜 맛있죠? 진짜
Yeah,
맛있어.
everyone is eating together. Look, it's a great sight.
맛있지?
Lovely.
우리 잘하니까 그냥.
I love that you're a great cook. Oh, Jungkook made all this?
우리 잘하니까 그냥.